If someone has to make an usability test manually, it takes too long and it will always end up in a mess. If someone even takes the time to read the result. UseApp, however, is a fast and easy way to execute a usability test online. In this example, the examiner makes a usability test for the website Scrumpy. So he creates questions and tasks for the tester to answer and implement. There are also some feedback and interview interrogations, so the tester person can give a response with his impression. The test. The examiner can pick the tester who has to accept all the criteria. The tester has to fill out the asked information in the background part faithfully. Now it is Scrumpy's turn. The tester person has to execute the tasks in the right order and the examiner measures the time with the UseApp. He has to fill in a feedback and an interview to give a possibility to improve the website better. In the end there is a conclusion, so the examiner has a good overview about the website.